Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday Judy at judinkanailart. I'm going to do a floral mani. This is Baby Girl Lacquers Peel Off Base Coat and I'll be starting with In the Clouds from Finger Paints. Isn't that stunning? Oh. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. It's really sheer, but it's got so much depth to it after you get it built up. It's so pretty. So I was invited by some ladies on Instagram to join in celebrating Judy's birthday, and I decided to go ahead and do a video also. So bonus here. I will leave a link for Miss Judy's channel down below, judinkanailart. She does a lot of reviews and nail art, so you want to go check her out, okay? Give her a thumbs up. Show her some love, especially for her birthday. So here we go with our second coat of In the Clouds. And this is one of the polishes that my friend Miss Shannon sent me. I'll leave a link for Miss Shannon down below too. She does like nail polish hauls and paint your nails with me and things like that. She knows a lot about some nail polish, y'all. So you might want to go check her out. There is that third coat. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Look how silky that looks. I love this. It's just so pretty. And even with 3 coats, I am going to have quite a bit of visible nail line. Some polishes are just like that. If it bothers you, layer this over another polish that's a similar color. Look at that. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang number 10, this flower image here. And I've got out my Braves Diva, and this is Shut Out. And I'll be using my Maniology Monocle Stampers today. So I'm going to plop a couple of these images out onto some stampers and fill them in, doing some advanced stamping. And I'm telling you, this is just too much fun. I love getting to do collabs with others, and especially celebrating, you know, our friends' birthdays. That's so much fun seeing what everybody comes up with. Our only prompt was to do something floral, but Miss Judy likes floral. This is Orly's The Crazy Life, and it's stunning. And I'll be using a dotting tool to fill this in. This polish was sent to me by my friend Connie. I was trying to combine her first name and her last name. I'm not throwing her last name out there. But Miss Connie sent me this a while back, and I have loved it. Every time I've used it, I have fallen in love. This is my kind of pink. It's got a purple shimmer to it, and it just speaks to my heart. It just makes it go pitter-patter. I love it. So I'm just going in all crazy like with my dotting tool and filling in these roses. And I figured Judy would like this. I hope she does. And this is really an easy one to fill in. It's not, you know, it doesn't have any like sharp, hard edges. So you don't have to be too worried about being perfect like I ever do. Y'all know I ain't worried about perfect. If I go over a little, I go over a little. It's like a kid coloring in a coloring book, you know? So I am filling in all of this decal because I don't know how it's going to fit on my nail. So I am going to go ahead and fill in all of it. Flip it over, check it out. I'll be using the Pro FX Sticky Base, and I'm just putting a very thin layer on my thumb and my ring fingernail today. I'm only doing 2 accent nails, and I'm trying to behave. I know it's hard, but I'm doing it. So I am putting that on my thumb, and I'll also put that sticky base on my ring fingernail as well. And I'm not really giving it much dry time in between. Just I mean, maybe a minute while I get my stampers ready and lined up. And I'm just going to apply that onto the nail and mush it down with my finger. Try to make sure it's sticking really well. And then I'm going to clean off the excess on my lint roller, just like I would if I was normal stamping. And here we go with the other one. Roll it on there and then tap it down. Tap and mush. Push it down into the sticky base a little bit. Make sure it's sticking really well. And then I'm going to go in with this little cuticle pusher tool, and I'm just kind of scoring it breaking off a little bit of it. Try not to get too crazy, but you know, trying to get some of it off there because I don't really want to clean all of that up with, you know, acetone. And there we go with that. And now I am going to go in with my cleanup brush and I'm going to tidy this edge up a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's going to work. Tapping it just to kind of make it stick. And I do go all the way around the nail on both sides and up by the cuticle and then across the tip. It kind of helps seal that down to the nail better. And then I'm going to go up underneath and I've got to get this big blob off. So I'm just going to tap, tap, tap it across the end and then go up underneath it and wipe it as much as I can off. Just brushing it from underneath. And then I'm going to tap across the end again just to make sure it's smooth. Tap, tap, tap. So there we have it. And I am going to top this one with the Maniology's Smudge-Free Top Coat. And once that is totally dry, it doesn't take long, I'm going to top it with some Posh. And then I'm going to call this one ta-da! So, like I said, I've got some links down below for my friends, Miss Shannon and Miss Judy, the birthday girl. I would love for y'all to go check out their channels and show them some love. I'm going across that end there. And there we have it. So here is my mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I always love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.